When the FRP blocks on Galaxy with the lock enabled message, no one can use the device without verifying the relevant Google login credentials. Well, if that's what happened to you, go ahead with this review to check the 6 most powerful Samsung FRP bypass tools to disable the lock in no time. Part 1. The best Samsung FRP bypass tool: Android Unlock. Okay, do you want to unlock FRP on Samsung with the most eminent and trusted program? Android Unlock could be entrusted and deserves the title. How to bypass Samsung FRP with Android Unlock. Install the program, enable Wi-Fi on Samsung, and choose Screen Unlock. Unlock Android screen and FRP. Pick Remove Google Account Lock FRP. Select Remove Google FRP Lock, Android 6, 9, 10, or the third option if unsure. Connect Samsung phone to the computer via USB. Follow on-screen instructions. Open Samsung Internet browser and visit dronetoolkit.com. Choose Android 6, 9, 10. Click Open Settings and set PIN to Do Not Require. Follow program instructions to remove FRP lock from Samsung. Part 2. Other 5 Samsung FRP unlock tools. 1. Easy Samsung FRP tool. Working for Android 5.0 and above. Easy Samsung FRP tool, a free FRP unlocking program. Let you bypass Google FRP from either a computer or your phone directly. 2. D&G Unlocker tool. Aside from bypassing Google account verification, the D&G FRP bypass can also be used to check the device data, factory reset Samsung, and delete Samsung data, though it is shipped with indirect on-screen directions. 3. Samsung FRP Helper. Offering remarkable features to unlock Samsung FRP. Samsung FRP Helper Compact. With a zipped version on your PC or Mac. When you get and install the Samsung Google Bypass tool on your computer, you'll have the ability to bypass Samsung FRP in ADB mode. 4. SamFirm Tool IO. As a free program to remove FRP in MTP mode on Samsung through ETL. SamFirm Tool IO is integrated with Flash tools, Shoot files, ADB tools, and even Apple firmware. 5. FRP Hijacker Tool. Developed by GZM Haggard. FRP Hijacker tool lets you factory reset your Samsung, in addition to erasing your active Google account for FRP removal.